I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and confirming ratings. Turn off the mains and unplug the device. Once done, verify the stabilizer's input/output voltage and maximum wattage match your appliance so you avoid overload. Make sure the stabilizer is on a stable, dry surface and the earth terminal is accessible. Check fuses and cable insulation for visible damage. If anything looks worn, replace parts before proceeding. This reduces risk and ensures the system will behave predictably when you energize it. Now you wire in a clear sequence. Attach the mains live to the stabilizer input live terminal first, then neutral, and finally the earth for safety. Once done, route the stabilizer output to the appliance, maintaining proper polarity. Make sure to use appropriately rated cables and a secure connector. Snug but not over-tightened terminal screws are critical to prevent arcing. If the stabilizer has a bypass or selector switch, set it according to manufacturer instructions. Keep wires neat to avoid stress and heat buildup. You can now power the stabilizer and measure its output. Use a multimeter to confirm stable voltage before connecting the appliance fully. Once stable, power the appliance and observe for unusual sounds, excessive heat, or blinking error indicators. These are immediate cues something is wrong. If values drift or alarms trigger, shut down, recheck terminal tightness, fuses, and earth continuity. Loose connections are the usual culprit. If problems persist, consult the manual or a qualified technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.